Modern warfare no longer begins with gunfire. It begins with systems, silent software, global networks, and invisible decisions made long before a single soldier moves. Military power today is not defined only by weapons, but by data, coordination, and control. This is not about battles or heroes. It's about the machinery that quietly makes every modern conflict possible. Every modern military operation is shaped inside command centers, not on the battlefield. Digital screens replace paper maps. Live data replaces instinct. Command and control systems track units, manage timing, and reduce uncertainty. Speed, clarity, and coordination now matter more than raw firepower. Control is no longer physical, it is digital and constant. Wars are not won by bravery alone. They are won by logistics. Fuel, food, spare parts, maintenance, and timing keep forces alive and moving. Software plans routes, monitors supplies, predicts shortages, and prevents collapse before it happens. Without stable logistics systems, even the most advanced military eventually stops. Nothing moves without support. Military software is expensive by design. It costs billions to develop, secure, update, and maintain over decades, often more than tanks, jets, or missiles. Budgets increasingly favor systems over hardware because software connects everything together. Modern defense spending is less about steel and more about code that never stops running. Military software is expensive by design. It costs billions to develop, secure, update, and maintain over decades, often more than tanks, jets, or missiles. Budgets increasingly favor systems over hardware because software connects everything together. Modern defense spending is less about steel and more about code that never stops running. Drones are not dangerous because they fly. They are dangerous because they process information. Sensors, algorithms, and autonomous systems reduce reaction time and human error. Automation shifts responsibility from pilots to software. The real weapon is not the drone itself, but the invisible system guiding every decision it makes. When systems fail, armies do not explode. They stall. Screens go dark. Data disappears. Decisions slow down. Modern forces depend completely on digital infrastructure. Without software, coordination collapses quietly. Failure today is silent, systemic, and devastating long before combat even begins. Behind every modern military system stands an economic engine. Governments, contractors, and technology firms shape warfare through budgets and long-term contracts. Defense software creates dependency measured in decades. Wars are influenced not only by strategy, but by funding cycles, economic priorities, and financial risk calculations. Weapons are tools. Soldiers are operators. But the real battlefield is invisible. It exists inside networks, databases, and decision systems running day and night. Future wars will be shaped long before the first shot is fired, because control now belongs to those who control systems, not just armies.